Every day, thousands of dump trucks hit the road to get work done. You're doing some heavy lifting, so we're here to lighten your load. When your business moves fast, you need hauling logistics that move faster. TRUX is the only heavy construction logistics platform that connects you to the nation's largest dump truck marketplace, with more than 30,000 insured drivers and thousands of shifts posted every day. Whether you're a contractor, material producer, fleet owner, broker, or hauler, TRUX has a solution for you. Founded by industry vets who understand the challenges of managing construction logistics, TRUX helps you manage your trucks in one place. Find the work or haulers you need, deliver exceptional service and material on time. Drive more efficiently with an easy-to-use app for real-time tracking and instant communication, and earn more. Over 4 million loads completed, over 30,000 approved drivers on the marketplace, more than 170 million miles driven, 12,000 businesses served, and 100,000 invoices consolidated. Schedule a demo to see how you can put power to work.